know you get 2 a year. I would love to get both of them at the same time. Like, give me my Kelly and my Birkin, let's be done with it, okay? I just keep seeing all these videos of people on TikTok, on Instagram, on whatever, getting their first bag, getting a bag with little spend. Or she got like 4 offers last year. Where's mine? You know? I love their stuff, and that's why we go through this, right? Because the stuff is so good, the quality is so good, it makes you feel so good. That's why we keep doing this. All these resellers, all these other people like make it so much harder for us that actually want them. I'm tired and I want it. I don't know. Hermès, if you're watching, please give me a bag. I've done everything I thought I was supposed to do. I'm going to trust the process. I'm going to keep going forward. I think I'm going to take a break from spending. Mental vomit, word dialogue process thing. Been doing all the things that I think I'm supposed to be doing. She was like, they're pulling your leg. Like, there's no reason you shouldn't have gotten a bag by now. Hey guys. Hello. Miss. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shithead. And today's video is going to be talking about my Hermès journey and where I am right now and where I feel and what I feel and how I feel and all the feelings. And just kind of like, today's video is going to be a little recap of my Hermès journey, where I'm at with Paris and here and how I feel and why and what I've spent and why I haven't gotten a bag and what I think and what's going on, and a little bit of just getting it out there because I don't know. So it's just kind of like a mental vomit word dialogue process thing. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? Hello. We're talking right now, so maybe I'll have a bag by then, but my feeling is like no. So I know, and some of you guys have posted and being like, why haven't you got a bag yet? Why haven't you got a bag? Like, why don't you just buy at your regular store? I don't know. I'm really confused. I don't know. I've been doing all the things that I think I'm supposed to be doing. I'm buying in other categories. I'm buying things that I like and I love and I want in other categories and I use. Like, I'm buying clothes, I'm buying accessories, I wear the accessories, I wear the clothes, I wear the shoes, I use the freaking ashtrays, you know, I multiple other bags, clearly. I mean, these are, and then this is online too, and I think I'm gonna do a separate video about online, but like, I've done the online thing, which I know is a separate thing. And I don't know if that's hurting or helping now, because maybe it is hurting because they can see that I bought so much leather online. But either way, like, I'm just very, I don't know, not frustrated. I don't know. I don't know what I feel. Like, I really want this bag. I really want both of these. I really want a Kelly and a Birkin. I really want my Kelly and I really want my Birkin. I want them both. I've made a wish list for both of them, and I'm just not sure why I haven't gotten them yet and what else I can do at this point. I was thinking about maybe calling the manager and being like, hi, why have I not gotten a bag yet? But then I don't want to like look like I'm expecting it, waiting for it, or that's the only reason I'm shopping, which, I mean, is not true, but it's not also true. Like, like I said, I do like the things that I got and I do enjoy them. I love using all my things that I bought. I still haven't used my notebooks, but I will, and I like the idea of them. What else? I mean, what else have I gotten? I've gotten so much stuff. Can't even think. I use the towels every day. I use my towels. I use the body wash. Like, I use all the things that I've got. It's like, not like I don't use them. I do love them and I do use them. I do love the company. I'm just really frustrated because I really want this bag. And I've gotten the other bags and I've used all the other bags. I use my Evelyn's. I use my Garden Party. I barely use my Lindy, but that's because I'm scared to use it and it's super delicate. These guys I probably would just stare at and never use. I'll probably use, I don't know. I was thinking about, I have like this so much stuff and like in one spot, like I need to like diversify these. I'm gonna like, it's like they're stocks, right? And they're like investments, right? That's what I'm picturing. These are investment bags because they will only grow in value. And like, if I ever need to sell them for money, which who knows, with recession coming, maybe I do. But these, like, I think I'm gonna put them like 4 different locations because I don't want them all in the same place because God forbid I get robbed again. Anyway, back to my Hermès journey. So I'll just do a real quick recap. So I started shopping like seriously with Hermès in 2021. It's 2023. I have spent probably like, I want to say a good 30 to 40 on other things, including some bags, but mostly on other things, right? And then Hermès online, I've spent probably, well, I mean, right here is already 40, plus Hermès in France. So, and from every other account that I've read, it takes, you know, a year building a relationship with an essay. Some people get earlier, some people get lucky, blah, blah, blah. Paris, I'm not gonna even talk about Paris because Paris was a whole other experience, and I talked about that whole experience and how I didn't get anything there, and I didn't really pre-spend that much, but like, whatever. But I've pre-spent a lot in the US. Aside from Paris, I think I spent around 36-ish. And aside from online, I want to say like 36. From my understanding, it's usually like 1-to-1, so 10 to 15. Sometimes it's 2-to-1, so like 18 to 20. I've heard 18. I passed the 18 mark, didn't get it back. I have requested for a Kelly and a Birkin. Pretty standard. I mean, like Togo, Clemence, no Epsom, but whatever. Return, like size 28 and 32 for a Kelly and 25 and 30 for Birkin. So not like the smallest sizes and not the biggest sizes, but like a good medium size. I'm also open to the 35 in both because I do like bigger bags. Open to like, I put a list of colors, mostly dark neutrals, but like chai is my number one. I still want to get that color, but then all these other options that are like, you know, whatever. I'm on the list. I'm in line. Like it's just waiting for the right bag to come in, and a lot of palladium hardware bags have come in. And I really want gold hardware, so like I had to pass on those, which is fine. But like I just keep seeing all these videos of people on TikTok, on Instagram, on whatever, getting their first bag, getting a bag with little spend, or getting another bag, or getting another bag. My auntie said she got like 4 offers last year. And she was like, you've spent way too much for them not to, she was like, they're pulling your leg. Like, there's no reason you shouldn't have gotten a bag by now. And that just disheartened me a little bit. But I'm going to trust the process. I'm going to keep going forward. I think I'm going to take a break from spending because, like, I want my bag and I should have gotten it by now, I feel like. And this is not like a dig at Hermes, and I like Hermes gods, like whatever, if you're watching this, I'm just my feelings. I'm not like, I know what the process is and I'm waiting patiently. I'm not making a big deal about it. I'm just confused as to why I have not gotten it when other people have in like this year, and it's like it hasn't happened. So I'm just, I don't know if I should call a manager, and I don't know if it's my SA and he doesn't have enough pull, or he has too many clients that have more spends and has to give them bags first. But like I put my wish list in 2 years ago, no, a year and a half ago, and I heavily spent with another SA before, and then I spent with this SA even more heavily. I mean, most of my purchases, probably think like a good 20-30 almost is with this SA. So it just feels like I should be getting it by now. And yeah, I'll wait a little longer. But I'm almost like, do I just go buy a resale one? Do I just buy one on the secondhand market, like a little used? Or like, I don't want to play the premium of 20 or 30 for a new one because that seems ridiculous to me, even though I've already pre-spent that on other things. But I use those things, so it's fine. I like those things separate. I'm not going to spend another 20 on a bag. Like, I want to get it. If I get a used one in the price range of the new one, and that's also why I wanted to get in Paris, it was cheaper, but all that's neither here nor there. We're done with that. It's done. I went a little crazy, bought these. Again, impulse buying, hate buy, whatever, like conciliatory prizes, because these are kind of Birkin-esque. I mean, they're basically, it's called an HAC, so they're basically a Birkin, like a long Birkin, right? What's the Birkin based off of? I do like it. I kind of just like to look at them. I don't know. I'll probably start using these soon. I'll probably start using them if I never get my Birkin. But right now, they just look so pretty sitting here. And I kind of like to just look at them. I am going to separate them because it's too much here. But they're so pretty. And that's why I look at it and I'm like, I love this bag. I do want this bag. I like love how it feels. I love how it smells. I love how it makes me feel when I touch it and I hold it and everything like that. And I know the Birkin's gonna make me feel even more, and the Kelly's gonna make me feel even more. And I used my auntie's used Kelly for a while, and I loved it. I literally, I was so happy. I know it's just a bag, and I know it's just a thing, but it makes me happy, and as long as it makes me happy, that's all that's important. I don't care. I don't care what other people think. I don't care about blah. It is a lot of money, I understand, but like it makes me happy, and that you can't put a price on that. Like it literally made me happy every time I used it, every time I took it out, every time I held it. I don't know what that means. I mean, I'm not gonna try to dig too deep into it. Like I like it. It makes me happy. I like to use it. It feels nice. It feels good. It feels, there's just something magical that the way it feels and the way like using it makes me feel. Anyway, I love Hermes. I love their stuff, and that's why we go through this, right? Because the stuff is so good, the quality is so good, it makes you feel so good. That's why we keep doing this, or at least why I do. But I feel like I'm going to take a break from spending until I get that call, and I hope I get it soon, because I don't understand why all these other people are getting it and I'm not. Like, I don't know. I've done everything I thought I was supposed to do. I check in with my SA once a month. I go to the store once a month. I buy something, even small things. I bought so many clothes, you know. I bought in all the other categories. I bought jewelry, not with him, but I bought with other people. Maybe I need to buy some jewelry with him. Actually, I have bought some small jewelry with him. Yeah, I bought jewelry with him too. I'm tired and I'm frustrated and I want it and I don't know. And it just keeps getting harder and harder because people keep getting it, people keep reselling it, and they make it harder and they make it difficult and they make it France and everything. It's like all these resellers, all these other people like make it so much harder for us that actually want them. It's so annoying. But what can you do? I don't know. Hermes, if you're watching, please give me a bag. Please give me a bag. Please. I feel like I've spent enough from both my bags. I should be getting both my wish list bags. Like, I know you get 2 a year. I would love to get both of them at the same time. Like, give me my Kelly and my Birkin. Let's be done with it, okay? Promise. I will love them, put them to good use, and I will be a happy customer, and I will not bug you guys ever again. I just want them so badly. I don't understand. It almost seems unfair. It does seem unfair. And I don't know. Who knows what these people's stories are that are posting their videos. But every time I open Instagram, I see somebody new getting a bag. Every time I open YouTube, I see somebody getting a bag. And I'm like, where's mine? Where's mine? You know? Anyway, that was my rant. I hope this doesn't hurt my chances. I feel like if anything, my video about what they do with the former employee is gonna hurt my chances. Maybe I shouldn't have posted that. No, well, too little too late. Please give me a bag. Oh, I'd love to hear your comments below, what you guys think. What you guys think if I should do something else different, or any advice or any tips or anything like that. Like, should I switch? Should I call the manager? Should I switch essays? I love my essay. I mean, here's the things that are working against me, in my opinion. He's newer. He's got a bunch of clients. I don't think he has much as pull as other essays. Auntie told me, like, you need an essay that has a lot of pull. It's somebody, even if they don't respond to all your texts, because I switched from my other essay who didn't respond to my text. I just didn't like that he never responded to my text, but he had a lot of experience and he had a lot of high profile clients, and so he probably had more pull. And she says her essay never responds to her texts, but she'll just text her every couple of months and say, I have a bag for you, come get it. So maybe I just need somebody like that. He's super responsive and nice, and I really like him, and we're friends, and I like want to be friends with him, but maybe it's not like a good business relationship anymore. And if you're watching this, I'm sorry, I'm just saying how I feel. If that's what it is, then maybe I need to switch. But if I switch, I feel like I have to start over again, which sounds daunting and terrible, but I don't know. I have to think about it. And that's why I feel like maybe I should call the manager and ask, because that's what I did last time. I called and asked if I could switch from that guy, the one that was not responding, to the one that I got that's super responding, but and gets, you know, really super helpful, but like, I just don't know. But I feel like if I call the manager and ask, or like say like, hi, I've made a wish list and I've been waiting and I've spent this much, they're gonna be like, I just feel like I don't know if that's a bad thing. I am approved to get a bag, I'm just waiting for the bag. So again, maybe this is all in my head and I'm overthinking it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What do you think I should do? Okay, in the meantime, I'll try to play with one of them. They're so pretty. I just think they're works of art, and like, I don't want to touch them. Am I gonna be like that with my Birkin though? No, I want to use my Birkin. I should just start using one. Okay, all right, those are my thoughts. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies next. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So appreciate you spending your time with me. Thank you guys so much. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.